Wicka, 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 what's up? What's going on? Welcome to Nebraska. Buddy, where are we?
We're in Montana.
Montana. It's early. Well, it's not that early, to be honest. I thought we were going to get up a lot earlier.
What time is it?
7:30.
Oh, wow. Sleeping.
Huh?
It's a sleeping.
It's what we like to call a sleeping.
This is where we slept. Isn't that awesome? We're actually living in a van down by the river. I love it. Oh, it's so peaceful here, and it's completely free. Oh, we should fill up some water.
Free campsite, free water. Let's get on the road. You awake yet?
Yep, I'm awake. Is it breakfast time?
Definitely. I love eating. I don't like reading. Unless it's a menu. I gotta fill up on gas.
Apparently Buddy just put in 2 hours and I kept sleeping. I'm starting to think that when you said 7:30 it was
Might
more
have
like...
been 7:50.
Was it actually like 8:30?
7:55.
Anyway, still I appreciate your morning drive, and normally what we do at this time is I've made overnight oats, but I didn't make overnight oats last night.
It's okay, I've been looking forward to my cereal.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna have cereal. I'll probably have yogurt because we have some left. And then we use the toilets at the gas station. And this is when we do a really big drive. So I'm happy to do it if you want. Like, put it in a couple of hours. It's now almost 10. We are having cereal and, of course, a chai. And it's time to get back on the road. Cheers. I saw something pretty amazing in there, though.
Fries?
3 for $11.
No way.
3 cases.
Should we get them?
No, how are we gonna keep 3 cases?
Buddy, I'll drink them all today.
No. How did you know that that's what I saw in there?
I just figured that was the only thing that could be truly incredible.
Today is Wednesday. We post videos on, whoa. It's looking like 0% uploaded, 1 hour and 38 minutes remaining.
That's not so good.
That's not so good. Oh, 2 hours and 20 minutes remaining. 0% uploaded.
Not so much better.
2 hours and 36 minutes remaining.
Are we leaving?
Yeah, it's up to 3 hours. We gotta go.
Make sure you try your Wi-Fi before you commit to buying a drink. By the way, check out this place, guys. It looks exactly like Starbucks. Starbucks, right?
So, not that fast.
I think we're spoiled. What do you want to do?
Beck's gonna stay there and
Work, baby, work.
work, baby, work.
Work.
And I'm gonna roll, baby, roll and go make us lunch. I gotta go to the grocery store because we forgot chickpeas. We have everything else but chickpeas.
Full belly, full heart.
Smashing dishes, no. Oh. Now they need to dry, but just gonna let them air dry.
Checking in here, guys. It is about...
Welcome to Rogers Wireless Voicemail.
What? It's about 2 p.m. and we've been driving along. Eamon has been chugging the drive.
I thought you were gonna say the LaCroix.
You've been chugging the LaCroix, but you've also been chugging along on the drive.
Have you
here.
even touched the wheel today?
I touched it for 2 minutes and then you're like, well, if I drive, will you email? You guys ask us a lot about how we manage to do our business and be on the road so far away from it. We live in a beautiful era. We've been listening to lots of Gary Vee, and he keeps saying it is the single most amazing time to be an entrepreneur because of the internet. So that's been pretty cool. While we drive, we're listening to The Habitat. Thoughts on The Habitat so far, babe?
I'm into it.
Eamon's super chatty this afternoon. And I am so hungry because apparently Eamon had 2 chickpea salad sandwiches and I only got one.
I asked you.
I didn't know that there was I didn't know that there was an option for 2.
Bubs, I said in the Starbucks, hey, do you want 1 or 2?
Actually, you did.
Yeah.
Wow, sorry about that.
We'd love to collaborate with more YouTubers.
Oh, yeah.
So if you guys follow any other YouTubers that are along the West Coast
Yeah.
that you think we would be fun with, have fun with, make fun stuff, just an all-around good time,
Yeah.
leave a comment below. We'd love to hear that.
I totally agree with that comment.
Thanks, babe. Putting some diesel fluid. This is the second fill up of the day. Geez, it ain't cheap driving across country. At least 55 bucks a fill up. Guys, Beck is getting so used to her pee funnel that she just wants to use her pee funnel anywhere. I said you can't use the pee funnel anywhere. That's peeing on the ground.
Okay, fine.
You get 2 guesses on what candies I would have gotten versus what Beck would have gotten. What do you think? Wrong. I got Aussie style licorice because I love these things. I got chips. What
I'm a
fatty.
savory snacker. I know! I wish we hadn't even gone in there.
0 fat.
All sugar, that's more crap. Is this in another language?
The Habitat is a production of Gimlet Media.
Get it?
Yeah, good job.
I forgot to close the door. All good.
We've been lying down, snuggling, cuddling, and farting. And now we're gonna go to the gym and pretend to work out.
You know us. If there's one thing we know how to pretend to do, it's work out.
Yeah.
Okay, but babe, I need my
Stinks
phone.
like fart in here.
Where's my phone? You just did it again! You're so...
Abuse! Abuse!
It's disgusting what you do, dude.
What are you looking for?
My phone, because that has my pass to get in.
Oh.
This fan's a mess, our life's a mess, I freaking think so.
I guess I'll see you in 4 hours then.
You smell like you eat another candy.
Why? I'm going to work you off.
You need to get your reality check, kid.
Did you have it back there?
Don't remember.
Knowing that, guys, the phone could literally be anywhere.
Oh, it could be in this drawer.
Like anywhere. When I say anywhere, like, don't rule anything out thinking, no way she could have put it there.
Yeah, it's true. Oh, I know. In that bag.
Workout is off to a fantastic start. We both forgot our towels, and I forgot my soap and a water bottle.
We both just spent probably 10 minutes longer than we needed to in our respective changes, not talking to each other, but just knowing that we weren't really ready to start. Let's crush this.
30-minute session starts now.
Holy
Come on, one more.
Yeah.
I've always really struggled with going to the gym and getting myself motivated. But I love that little 30-minute cycle because you can literally just put your head down, smash it, it's 30 minutes.
You have like a really clear goal, you know? Like when
Yeah, I
you're
think
running on
that's
the
a big
treadmill,
deal.
it's like, oh, my goal is this, but when you get tired, you kind of stop, whereas this is like, I don't know, makes you feel more like a goal.
30 minutes done. Time to go to the car and get our keys to get our towels. Okay, I need to get the keys from my
Okay, and then I'll go into mine and I'll get
soap.
I'll get soap for you. Okay, so I'll meet you in a sec.
Yeah.
We're all showered up. We're all pumped up. I feel really good after that gym sesh. How do you feel?
I feel great. I want to do it every day.
Wow. From the guy who did not want to go at all. I'll tell you tomorrow, and then Eamon will be like, nah, I don't want to go.
One every day.
Anywho, we were just chatting with Aubrey. We're actually in Spokane, which is where
Spokane, WA.
her family lives, which is crazy.
Amazing. I'd love to clean my windshield wiper.
Okay, priorities I think are like eating though, don't you reckon?
100% star right.
Okay, let's go to the grocery store. Ready?
What is it? Which one is that? No, I don't want that one.
No, babe. Come on.
Can you just give me one more?
What's wrong with that one?
I just didn't feel like that one.
Oh gosh! You're so much work. It's a lot of freaking work. How about the other purple t-shirt?
Oh Christ, alright.
What's wrong? You dropped it on the floor, you freak.
Alright, so the plan right now, guys, is we're gonna change t-shirts because I was wearing that shirt all day.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna quickly jump into Walmart here and get a couple items. We're making, I feel like every time we talk about food, we're talking about field roast.
It's actually so true. It's 'cause
We're not making field roast. We're making tacos without field roast.
No, we're making tacos with it. But these guys have to remember that we don't show them every day of food. Plus, we have a really cool Freestyle Friday that's already gone live by this point, so they should go watch it because that'll be really good.
True.
Okay?
True point. True say.
Okay, everybody?
Okay, thanks guys. Anyway, we're gonna grab field roast.
Okay, let's make this quick. We are live on IG. It's the first time Eamon and I have ever tried this. We're having so much fun. So if you've missed it, go follow us on Instagram so you can get the notification the next time this goes down. The debate is on. Are we having another taco, buddy?
Kind of full. I'm gonna have one more.
Yeah. I can't believe you only had one. I definitely had two.
I'm kind of full.
Really?
No, I'm having one more.
Okay, friends, family, and first-time viewers. That concludes our day in the life of traveling across North America from side to side. Well, it was just one day, but it was like a, a day.
This was day cuatro. So todos los tired.
Tres fatigué. Todos los días.
Somebody's speaking French and Spanish. I'm so proud
I
of you.
hope you enjoyed the video. We love making videos.
We love you guys so much.
You want to show us some love, then go ahead and show us some love by smashing the subscribe button.
Okay, bye guys.
Okay, bye.